First meal of the day, ampalaya with egg and dumpling soup with veggies, and let's eat. Ayan, ang aking snack, ano lang po ito, snack breakfast, dahil tayo ay may pupunta na, maya lang, yan, ano naman na siya, luto naman na itong ating bitter gourd, o bitter melon, and then, syempre, lalagyan natin yun ng egg, egg to the house, dito salt maybe. May ano siya. Cut ko. Ready tayo ng ating egg. No? So, tayo. Ayan natin siya pagkakalagin sa alita sauce. Kasi again so well. Yuppie. So fry. Mekos, heat and heat, here and there. And we can add egg. So egg. So we can add the egg. That's my breakfast. Mekos. And that's it. It's done. And a little add pepper. See? Done. Now after they're done, so we're going to cook soup. Now simple dumpling soup. Like dumpling soup. Hi, good morning. Gumoron. Naliko pa. Yeah, so now we can add, this is my dumpling soup. Here we go. Now it's not that. So we can, this is the boiled water. This is a spring onion. So kunin natin. So, ampalaya. Let's take our ampalaya. Serve now. Here. Ampalaya. Egg with bitter gourd. So, it's done. Let's ready to eat. And I will be having a chili. Now. Yeah, it's a dumpling. Look, my dumpling. Homemade dumpling. So, now we can add some of the cabbage. Oh, I'm hungry. So, dumplings. Guys, dumplings. Sausaw natin sa patis with chili. Hi, Mariam. That's it.